We're here on site to check out firsthand Schneider Electric's new innovative switchboard offering, FlexSeT. If you're not familiar with Schneider Electric's FlexSeT, it's a new line of switchboards built by authorized FlexSeT distributors. What this means to you as the electrical contractor
is now, rather than waiting for a factory-built board, you can now work with an authorized FlexSeT distributor in your market. And so what that does for you is reduces lead times down from months and weeks to literally just days, from production to job site delivery from your authorized FlexSeT distributor.
FlexSeT is available in NEMA Type 1 and NEMA Type 3R construction, rated up to 2,000 amps. With FlexSeT, you've got plenty of main breaker options. Individually mounted mains range from 400 to 2,000 amps. In some markets, a swing-out main is available, which makes accessing the terminal points a lot easier. And in the I-line distribution section, you can run a backfed main from 400 to 1,600 amps. You also get plug-on neutral modules like this. So now you're not dealing with a big bulky neutral assembly buried in the back of the board. It's cleaner, simpler, and easier to troubleshoot. There is also a dedicated instrument compartment, perfect for metering, surge protection, or maintenance mode switch, all separated from the line voltage. Every FlexSeT switchboard comes with a QR code, giving you instant access to drawings, test reports, and manuals right from your phone.
So now the really cool thing is, not only can you get your NF panel boards, your dry type transformers, your VisiPack safety switches, and your NQ panel boards from distributor stock, now you can get your distribution switchboard with FlexSeT.